Hello dear friends, this is our new lesson number 4, Deutsch course, German course, Buch 2, Book 2, Lektion Nummer 4, lesson number 4. So in lesson number 4, we will learn about du bist, you are. In German, you can say du bist, and in English, you can say you are. In this lesson, you will learn usage of you are in German language. So this boy says, Ich bin Paul. I am Paul. Okay, Ich bin Paul means I am Paul. And we have learned I am or Ich bin in previous lesson. So now he says to this girl, Du bist Lena. Du bist Lena. Du bist Lena, okay? Ich bin Paul. Ich bin Paul. He says, Ich bin Paul. And now he says, Du bist Lena. You are Lena. So now Lena says, Ich bin Lena. Ich bin Lena. Du bist Paul. Okay? She says to him, Du bist Lena. No, I'm sorry. Du bist Paul. Now he says, there are two sentences, okay? He says, Ich bin ein Junge. I am a boy. Du bist ein Mädchen. You are a girl, okay? He says, Ich bin ein Junge. Du bist ein Mädchen. And now she says to him, Ich bin ein Mädchen, I am a girl, du bist ein Junge, and you are a boy. Okay, once again. Ich bin ein Junge, du bist ein Mädchen. And now she says, Ich bin ein Mädchen, du bist ein Junge. And now Übung exercise, fill in the blanks in the following pages or slides. Now look at this picture. What does he say to her? Right here, okay, in your notebook. And now what does she say to him? Write down in your notebook with fill in the blanks, okay? And what does he say to her? Write down in your notebook. And now what does she say to him? Okay, write down in your notebook. And now vocabulary words, vocabulary, okay? Write these words in your notebook again, okay? These are the nouns which we have learned in previous lessons from book number 1, okay? So das Glas. Keep remember, we have learned about das, der, and die in previous lessons. You have to put this kind of word, das, der, or die, with German nouns, okay? Like this now, das Glas. You can't say simply glass in German. You have to put this article, okay? There are 3 articles we have learned in book number 2. You can watch the last lesson of book number 1, okay? Das Glas and das Mädchen. And now das Ende, the end, danke, thank you.